Yeah, I think so, mate.
Oh, good afternoon, welcome to...
Hang on. Oh no, we're good.
Step two, take two. Good afternoon, welcome to Oulton Park on this warm but cloudy day. We're here on a track day looking at George's car, but also there is 1, 2, 3, 4 customer cars in this section, and I'm pretty sure there's a couple more over there. So shall we go for a plod around, have a look at the cars and watch them go around really fast? And then George has a sneaky passenger seat there.
I'm not going in.
I might go out, you might go out. Once you see it go past, I think you'll be like, no. But yeah, cool. We'll go for a walk and have a look and just do some beauties and chatting other cars. So Samsung's RS3 here. We've seen this a gazillion times in the workshop. Probably in the back of, I don't think we've done a specific video on this, have we?
It's been in the background of a bunch, but I don't think we've done a specific one.
So this one's sick. This one's just come back from a ring trip, which is cool, and it survived again. Crazy. Got George's GTI here, which is very cool. This has got some sort of like cooling issue, which we need to have a look at, but hopefully it was just a sporadic sensor glitch, and it's actually okay. Because it's sat at 19, quite happy. So we're just double checking it's not got an airlock. We've got Bill's GTI, which is mechanically perfect, but he's been having some strange level sensor issues since he's put some fancy lower arms on, which I set up. So we're going to work through that today. I've got a couple tricks we can try. I'm not in work, so I'll try not to get my hands too dirty. And then over there, Jake's new M2 Comp, that blue one next to that is the Martin. So this is a new car, which we're going to start looking after, which I'm looking forward to. We like a few M cars, don't we? Sporadically. Don't bring me many M cars, please. But we like them occasionally. We do a few now, don't we? For a sales place. I do a lot for a sales place. But we don't really get much big repairs. We try to avoid them, really. But yeah, this is
So Jake has the very, very high power Golf, but unfortunately for reasons we can't disclose, no longer has that car.
Well, yeah, it died a sad death, that car. So this is M2 Comp of Jake's, which is cool. And then we've got Ben's new Skoda over in the corner over there, which is a customer of mine on his old race car, but now he's got a new track car. So we'll probably see that in the future. So we might go and have a look at that in a bit. But for now, shall we do just a plod around?
Should we go and have a look around?
Yeah, go and have a look around. Why not? This is cool. This is a bit of us. Wow.
You said you've seen this one on track before?
Yeah, this one actually, this was on track when I was last on track, and it was so unbelievably fast. Never heard anything like it. So it's on individual throttle bodies, isn't it, with a big cone filter. This sounds, you'll hear this go past. It's epic to the point, this is proper a bit of me, this. Proper a bit of me. It's battered up close, isn't it? Look at the AP Racing brake, everything. This is proper. Fiberglass rear end. That probably weighs as much as like a wet paper towel. Savage. Savage.
We've got a Fiesta Boys Club over here.
Yes, this is GM Performance. This is that lads I was chatting about from Bolton, I think. These seem like a real good set of lads, and they seem like they can build a really fucking fast Fiesta as well. Low key, well quick, these cars. Just Fords are a bit horrible, aren't they? Sorry.
I've never been a Ford guy.
No, neither have I. Neither have I. And then we've got, let's just, I don't know, we don't know what we've got. We'll have a look. Of course we'll have a look. Ah, there's a bike event going on, isn't there, this week then?
Ah, that makes sense.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. We'll have a look. Of course we'll have a look.
I've stood on the podium over there.
Did you win?
I was third.
Third. RS3. Hondas. Very nice. FL5, Civic Type R. If I had 50 grand in my bank, that's what I would buy.
Really?
I'd buy one of them over an RS3. Sorry to all my customers. I just want a change, okay?
Busman's holiday for an RS3.
Is that too much to fucking ask? M4 Club, there's plenty of them there, isn't there? M3, well, they just don't look, they look good, don't they?
They've aged so well.
Yeah,
I don't even need the M3, I'd have it's an E92 series.
Yeah, super good. Do you know what though, they don't really, I don't like driving them. I think they drive quite bad. Unpopular opinion alert.
I think I might even have a convertible one, you know, maybe even just like the 2.5 or the 30. Yeah.
Oh, this is nice, isn't it?
It's
This is the seat, the same seat.
Yeah.
Everything just bolted on.
The only thing I forgot to do is bring up hook bushes.
Nah.
But
Do them whenever, can't you?
everything else is
Just bolted on.
Yeah.
Oh, it's lovely, isn't it? Look at it. It is, what, out there or in general? Here, it's hot.
Well,
Oh, the car's hot, isn't it?
Yeah, I forgot to take the dust shields off.
Yeah.
In front. So the discs are there.
Oh, mate, they are They've like been on fire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what we're going to get set for.
Yeah. Wow.
Oil's getting about 135. Box
On the limit, yeah.
Box is getting about 122. And I have seen coolant spike to 100.
But other than that, it's been fine, yeah.
Yeah.
That's been fine.
How's Josh's doing? Fast? Yeah, good. Getting there.
154?
Oh, he's getting down, isn't he? He's getting down. Chasing George slowly. George was like 152 last year, I think, weren't he? George's is being problematic on the coolant side.
Yeah, I've been.
So.
I've done a 2 flat in that so far.
Oof. What's this tank? What's this tank at the bottom left here? What's that for? That's big. Isn't it? Something. I'm not an Evo guy, but it's something. There's a Golf R there. Stock one.
They're all over the place, aren't they?
The MQB's cheat code. Look at that. On the old strings. The old setup. Nice that. Little setup change. Fuck me, look at all them. Jesus Christ. OG M2 gang. Holy shit. There's loads of them. Wowza, look at that. Don't know what I'm looking at, because we are not BMW boys. Nice.
Yeah, just talking about that little Copen that's been lapping all day.
Everyone's laughing, going, it's funny that.
And like,
Well, yeah.
I think with James May, wasn't it? It was like, I'd rather be on the edge of a not very powerful car
Yeah.
than scared to go near the edge of a super powerful one.
But he's been out all day relentlessly lapping. How many laps has he done? Since we've been there all afternoon, I don't think he's come in very much. Just reliably just sending it in his little car. The more modified your car is, the more they break. But that's the nature of the beast, isn't it? That's what chasing the lap times is.
So what was George saying about his?
His has got a little bit of a coolant issue where it's overheating a little bit. So that needs diagnosing really. But he's done 2 track days and it hasn't done that, so that's a fresh issue.
Yeah.
Which is strange, very strange. But the only way you can fix it is looking at live data. It's got no fault codes, no nothing. Live data and throwing some bits and bobs at it.
We had a boost pipe split earlier,
Yeah.
which is just typical.
But for the laps he's done and the half laps he could still do, it looked like the quickest car out there. And he was pushing that white M2 looked like the quickest, and then that last lap he was pushing that around the track. So.
Was it a Cayman he was pushing up the road?
Pushing
as well?
a GT4 RS and that OG M2 track car, pushing all them around. So it is probably the quickest car out there, which is cool, isn't it? Very cool.
It's nuts.
I think Bill Bill's car seemed happy. He did quite a few laps, didn't he? So hopefully he's happy.
And he had a traction control issue.
He had, EPC light due to the headlight level sensors, because he's put them Eurospec arms on that we set up.
Yeah.
And he brought the car to me without the level sensors on to give me as much room as possible. Put the sensors on now, the car's having a hissy fit.
Yeah.
Because it's mounted in a different position, the car's lower, I think it's just not happy with where they are. So I've said a few little tricks and told him what to do, what I would do, and hopefully that's fixed. He seemed to do a few laps, didn't he? So hopefully that was all good. Yeah, good, isn't it? Good, loads of stuff going on.
Car of the day for you?
George's is just cool, isn't it?
Very cool.
Just looks mad. Car of the day, don't know, that 996 was very special.
Yes.
Very
Yeah, it
special.
was.
That GT3, just what some money in there. Challenge car's cool.
I don't know, it's almost a bit too cool for that though.
Yeah,
Like,
just rich blokes in it.
makes more sense in
now.
Abu Dhabi than
Yeah.
Cheshire.
Yeah. After 3 hours in, get the 20 chicken nuggets, and then you get the sauce. It's pitch black, so you don't know what you're doing. Dipping away, eating, and that's how you raw dog an 8-hour drive. Coffee and 20 chicken nuggets.
Coffee and 20 nuggets.
Yeah. And yeah.
Whenever we go to McDonald's, you always have to get 6 extra nuggets for the dogs.
Oh really? You feed
Yeah.
the dogs then?
Yeah.
No.
Mate, they eat all sorts. Like,
Yeah, mine does, but
the better stuff they eat.
but then they don't like their food once you feed them the good stuff.
Anyway, we turned the camera on because we're nearly home after loads of traffic.
Yeah, literally rubbish drive home. And what we outro in the video.
Yeah,
That's it.
that's it.
Yeah. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope Steve's swooping videos are good. I'm sure they will be. Like, subscribe, hype.
Yeah.
Just do more. It's MQB video. It should probably do well. So
Go back and watch the Lambo video.
Go back
That
and
was
watch
a really
the
good
Lambo.
video.
Yeah.
No fucker watched
Steve's
it.
so proud of that video and no one watched it. So go back and watch the Lambo video. Make him happy. And make me happy, actually, because we take a lot of time in this. But yeah, have fun. Way home. Bye.